With educational content available instantly at our fingertips, the real challenge today is to create something that can only be experienced live. At the European Congress of Radiology, we rose to that challenge with next-level immersive storytelling attracting more than 20,000 attendees to Vienna. Under the theme Planet Radiology and with a strong focus on sustainability and planetary health, we built an imaginative world in Unreal Engine, a fully realized ecosystem where flora and fauna were inspired by radiological structures. What began as a spark of an idea grew into more than a year of meticulous planning, creative development, and technical innovation, culminating in a 5-day congress unlike anything seen before. This was not just an event, but an otherworldly live experience, all under the watchful eye of Gaia, Mother Nature herself. A continuous storyline connected every element, from the spectacular opening ceremony to a one-of-a-kind VR experience. 3 highlight plenary lectures, a charity gala, and the closing party. More than 700 scientific sessions and 223 exhibitors were seamlessly woven into this compelling narrative. Kicking things off with her welcome address, ECR President 25, Andrea Rockall, set the tone for this year's theme and the remarkable experiences awaiting our attendees. Her cinematic speech took visitors on a journey through the history of radiology and underscored the importance of sustainable imaging. The plenary lectures redefined the keynote format, blending science with immersive storytelling in bespoke, live 3D environments. Attendees plunged into the ocean depths with Linda Moy. They journeyed through the jungle with Simon Reeve, and finally rose into the clouds with Roland Illing. This groundbreaking approach set a new benchmark for how scientific ideas can be shared with the world. The ECR Charity Gala was completely reimagined. All single-use items were eliminated, from floral arrangements to decor. Instead, projection screens and LED panels concealed beneath the tables turned an entirely white room into breathtaking natural landscapes. The closing party brought the Congress to a vibrant finale. Participants danced to world music beneath dynamic projections, celebrating the fusion of science, culture, and sustainability. To support this journey, the in-house designed ECR app put the Congress at attendees' fingertips with integrated navigation, program highlights, and alerts. Interactive selfie walls invited participants to share their impressions with the hashtag ECR25, which became the #1 trending topic in the city, extending the reach of Planet Radiology far into the digital sphere.